You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Tuesday after the release of lackluster housing and manufacturing data weight, but was offset by negative news for the other currencies such as the pound and the yen. The greenback ended the day 1.3757 to the euro and 102.35 to the yen. Today's data includes building permits and housing starts in January, as well as the minutes from the January FOMC meeting. Next, to the euro. The euro strengthened on Tuesday after political uncertainty eased in Italy and rise in demand for the peripheral bonds led to an increase in euro buying. The single currency ended the day 1.3757 to the dollar and 140.81 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone construction output in December. British pound. The pound unwound on Tuesday after inflation data surprised to the downside, dropping a basis point to 1.9% versus the 2% expected and falling below the BOE's 2% target for the first time since 2009. Sterling ended the day 1.6681 to the dollar and 0.8246 to the euro. Today's data includes December employment data and the BOE meeting minutes. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Tuesday after the BOJ announced they were extending and doubling two of their bank lending programs, increasing the amount of the liquidity in the economy. The Japanese currency ended the day 102.35 to the dollar and 170.72 to the pound. Today's data includes the trade balance in January, which is expected to show the deficit deepen to a record negative 2,487 billion in yen. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts over the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.372 with targets at 1.38 and 1.382 in extension. Below 1.372, which will look for further downside with 1.369 and 1.365 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.668 with targets at 1.676 and 1.6825 in extension. Below 1.666, which will look for further downside with 1.6605 and 1.6555 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 101.95 with targets at 102.75 and 103.05 in extension. Below 101.95, which will look for further downside with 101.75 and 101.5 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets4you. Have a great day.